This marriage is over. Jamaican Movie. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss.
Honey, you know, wake up, you're not going to work today.
No, babes, I'm not going to work today.
Why you're not going to work today and you missed work yesterday? You don't feel any better?
No, sir, I don't feel so good, babes.
So, but you don't look so sick to me.
Only I said in a sick leave from yesterday because one of my friend them called me and she said, I better me send in one sick leave because we get fired at the hotel.
So how comes I'm just knowing that? I don't understand.
And because I feel sick, I never remember to tell you.
Because you feel sick, you forget to tell me that your friend called you and tell you to send in a sick leave. And you're sending a sick leave already. And when your wife is going to work, that's the time she's going to know.
I never feel so good, honey. Come on, dear man.
Alright, nothing is wrong with me. Alright, in case you don't feel any better, you give me a call. Are you sure you don't want to go back to the doctor for a checkup like how you say you don't feel good today?
And if I don't feel so good, be time you come home later and guide doctor.
Alright, I'm not going to force you and I don't want to be late for work, so. Alright, later. Love you.
Love you too, honey.
I don't love how you look though, you know.
Oh.
You just don't look so hot.
No man, I kind of feel better, honey. I just threw my head hurt and I just got alone.
Okay. I don't like when you're keeping things from me, you know. Because I think I should be the first one to know that you decided to send in a sick leave.
Yes, honey, I should have tell you about when she called me and she tell me say we get fired. I never know say I would get fired if I not send in a sick leave.
Okay.
I never know about that, you know.
Oh.
Remember say I new to the work, you know. Honey.
So she's the one that run the show now.
What do you mean by run
Your
the show?
co-worker called you and tell you to send in a sick leave and you listen to her. But I am living with you and I said go to the doctor for a checkup to find out if everything is okay. You don't want to go. But she can tell you what to do.
Just concerned only because she know want me get fired at the work. But just get the work, right?
Okay.
And she know about the system already and she tell me say if me not send in a sick leave and miss 3 days, never get fired.
Okay, that's true.
You should have tell me about that.
Me shouldn't tell you. Did I tell you to listen? Alright, tell you what. I told you I'm going to work. Did I tell you to stay home for 3 days?
No, only but if me not feel good. Where you want me to go work, go job down?
Did I tell you that? But no, the way how you just attacked me telling me that
No,
I
but
should
you
be the one to
know,
tell
you
you.
know how everything.
But me never know say you're staying at home so long. I never know that you were staying at home so long. So that to show you that we lack communication. Because if I am not knowing exactly what you're doing, that simply means that I'm not in your thoughts at all.
Me in my thought.
No. Because if when me I leave to work, you're going to tell me these things and then you're going to shout after me that me should be the one to tell you all these things. Like I am the one that tell you to stay home.
So, honey, I could get into the argument.
I am not going to get into this.
I don't feel so good. Honey.
Okay.
You understand? You can't manage the argument.
And I can manage it as well. And tell you what, I don't want you to blight it the rest of my day. So have yourself a good day. You know what? Bye-bye. Just call me in case you feel worse. You just call me. If not, I'll call you lunchtime. Alright?
Yes, honey. To the woman, yeah, man. She not going where she a go, man. Tell her some one gone to work. Sure. Wonder what Petra go on with you, man. Morning, she just a come and antagonize, man. Sure. No way Petra share the man.
So Jeremiah so out of order.
You know see how long me a call him, man? Yeah, my wife just gone now, so you can come over. Why? One piece of argument a while ago, you know. A truth, you know, me I tell her, say, somebody tell me to send in a sick leave, right? And she a get upset at her boy, say she a the last somebody to know that, and she a go out with her style, babes. That me I say too? A truth, man. So where are they now? So you come over again today? Babes, me enjoy myself yesterday, no? Me enjoy myself yesterday, no? Me enjoy myself yesterday, man. What you say? I'm going to work, so. And what you plan for do today? What you plan for do today? Easy, you know, man. I'm going to hope you stay longer. Listen me now. I'm going to hope you stay longer today. Yeah, but we don't know what time she a come back from work, honey. So that's why I have to make you go work early. Why the way she a move? Me need even bother ask her that, you know, because you know so that I got trigger something in her fear brain when she start thinking something different. Alright, make sure you hurry up and come in and wear something sexy too. That's right. Yeah, going with babes.
Listen me. Fix up your statement. Back up and fix up your statement. Who you talking to?
So you're babes, sir?
No, but how you call me babes?
What you mean?
Me's not your babes.
A long time me I look here, every
So
minute me come to you. You put me off. What that for?
So look here. So if you look me, that means I'm have to deal with you.
You don't want a clean man like me.
I don't want a clean man like you. I have my husband. I have my nice and clean husband, so I don't need you.
So you call it?
Yeah.
Your husband will play cat and mouse game with you.
Which husband playing cat and mouse game
As
with
you left a yard, a morning time and next man boring.
Who tell you that? Look here.
Listen me.
So that's what you're running me down to tell me?
You not run me and run you down to
you
tell
run
you.
me down to tell. Listen to me.
You disgrace me, so me a disgrace you back.
Disgrace me?
What you mean?
Where you see my husband ask me leave out my husband? My husband go
You
to
see
work.
from what the end of Ghana work?
Yeah, because him dey on sick leave. He's sick.
Oh,
He
he's
not
sick.
feel well.
But think you have girl in a house up and down though.
Me no in an argument with you.
So you not give me a chance
Give
in your
who a
life.
chance? You look a boy. And moreover, me's a married woman. I
So what
don't
that
want
have to do?
anybody else. I have my husband. I don't want anybody. You understand me I say?
So you're alright with your bun where your husband a give. You're
Me
alright with
alright
the
with
bun.
bun. It's the first me hear that.
You
So
not
how
tired
can I
to eat
believe
bun?
you? Tired to eat which bun? Tired to eat which bun?
Oi.
You see from me see, I know some mystery I try to make between me and my husband. Because
Okay.
I don't know what to come in after.
Okay.
You understand what me I say?
Anytime good man a look on you, you always put off a good man, you know. You understand what I say?
Oh my God.
How to pick until you pick on enough to pick.
Yeah,
You
but look
understand
here.
what I say?
Don't you think that every man say the same thing?
Yeah, but
and
when time
as
good
soon
man
as the
come
woman there
along,
with them is problem in the woman's
listen me.
skin.
When
Me
time
not
good
into
man
it
come
with you.
along, I saw no put off good man, right? I don't always go for some man where always do some things to him.
When me don't know about what you're talking, me don't know about what you are talking.
Love the
If
cat
you
and
want-
mouse game. I truly really love them, make me a give a
Love
heads
who?
up still.
You know what is love?
But you mean if you know what is
You
love?
think that you look at one woman and you say them, you can just say, I love you, and the woman to just there with you.
You never say if
What
you
you have-
like when a woman
listen to
play
me.
hard, you know.
What is it that you have to give a woman?
Everything a woman need.
Everything like what?
Give me a chance
mouth?
you see that.
Is it a sweet mouth?
Is it a sweet mouth? Give me
Listen
a chance
to me.
you
I don't
will see
need to
what me
give you any
have to
chance.
offer.
I don't want any more man than my husband.
Listen me, if you even not give me a chance on the side, me alright.
Alright, me them say me credit are done, babe, so me will call you back later if you not come earlier. Alright. Alright, babes, I done me credit. Hurry up and come later. Here.
I'll
Which
take care
side?
of bag, me like
Care
how you
which
go down
bag?
the road.
Don't come near me. Don't come near me. You see, on a young boy, as soon as people talk to you and call to you, just feel like, oh my God. Then look at it, because you have on one little goodish clothes, you feel say, woman is supposed to be with you?
See, I make you blush.
Make who blush?
Sign, I love that. You know.
Oh my
See
God.
that? A sign
Oh
of love.
my
Just,
Lord.
you understand
A
if
sign
you
of
play
love.
hard still, you know, I know so one day I must crack the nut. You know.
Okay, honey. Alright, because this nut is easy to crack.
Never say it easy to crack. As me tell you, so me like when a woman play hard.
Well, we'll see about that. But let me tell you something. Next time you're talking to me, you don't come style me like if you say, me is this ghetto girl on the road.
Alright, me adjust you better next
understand
time,
what I
babes.
said? You
Babes,
don't have to
alright,
call
you
me-
alright if me call you babes?
That is what I am allergic to. I am allergic to that name.
Okay, Miss Josiah?
As simple as that.
Okay,
Or Miss Brown.
okay.
You understand what I say?
I'm just giving you a heads up still.
Heads up.
Yeah,
to
your
me,
man-
it's like you want to cause problem in my
No,
marriage.
but what I'm saying, if you don't believe me, just wait little time and go home and you see what take place in your yard. If me never love you, I would not give you a heads
And
up.
because you love me, it's just because you want to mash up my marriage. You
No
understand?
mash more and mash up you. Your marriage. I want there with you
You want, yeah.
full time and not part time.
Oh my God! Tell you what, I just can't deal with this right now because I have a lot on my plate this morning. I can't manage this right now.
Yeah man, I give you a problem. I heard them.
Oh my God! Me look like me I walk on road and belch out my problem for people.
No, but
My
your
man
shoulder
ain't
you
giving
can
me
lean pan.
lean on which shoulder?
Whose shoulder me having?
Errol, you don't even have a job.
What do you mean
up
by
and
me
down.
not have a job?
I never see you working. You just walk up and down like a gangster, and I don't even know how you buy your clothes and even your watch on your hand. I don't know how you get them.
If you're there with me, you will see the
I don't need
200.
to know, and that's the point.
Man,
I
a
have
chopper
never
in a
seen
girl.
it. So what would I be doing with a chopper? He say me can't wait for go down there to me man, go take care of him properly. Cause me can't bet you say him wife don't even give him the tea for drink. He say me not know what wrong with them your wife here, you know. He say every minute what make him and them have to give them bun. He say every day them go and work and find everything fi do out of grass. And that day here they don't take care of them man. That's why them man fi bun them. And that's why them man always find good woman who take care of them. That's why I love me so much. When me go down there, me go and pamper and make you know say my baby, my me baby. So if she no want to take care of her man, it's up to she. But me know say me go and take very good care of my man. Oh, me say, me can't imagine how down at the house dirty and nasty. And me have to go down there go clean up it. I just told me now want my man live in another. Oh. Alright with my man what wash plate at hotel. You know that?
Time will tell.
Well, time will tell. I'm
The
glad you
chopper
know.
will always be here
Oh,
waiting.
well, stay there, chop and chop your way through, but you ain't chopping your way through this bush. You hear?
Alright.
It's only for my husband and my husband
Well,
alone.
even if your bush tall, me have the worker to cut it. Come follow your guy bus stop.
You hold on for yan.
If you touch me, you see, you will see what I do with you today.
You'll make you blush again.
Make me
Come
blush.
on, follow your
I tell you
gabba
that
stuff.
you're irritating me. I'm allergic to your kind of speech.
Don't go say that for now.
Jeremiah,
How that?
what you mean who that? You don't expect me?
So you no come in the house, me no cut on I key them gear man.
Alright, baby.
So I can make a young support me a bed, you still in a?
So me no cut on I key them gear, you know, you usual pull the door and come in man.
Lord have mercy, you still in a bed, them a watch you. Me man,
I'm tired man.
you're tired, look at your face too now, you're cutie. See, there's nothing to eat, no snack, nothing no there.
Some biscuit up on the table.
Oh God.
You hungry, brother?
Why it take so long to come till me I'll drop asleep? Why would I do so long?
That a no long, man. That a no long. So your woman get nothing for him from morning.
No, because me have to pretend say me like say me sick, you know.
So she no wake up and get breakfast.
She say she not gonna make it, but tell her if I go on because she wants to wear up and go on.
Lord have mercy, you look like you don't like to see her one bit, eh?
So I can't stand on this.
My God, then what she do to you, sir?
What you mean? Like you take the whole of my love?
Me take the love because me know if I love you up. Eh? Me know if I love up you, you know see? I don't make me down me yard, you bother me, they bother me, you know why me do nothing on me yard. Hey, can you
If she ever come back and see me in a bed in a problem, you know?
Skin me alive. Move up and see what I'm doing. I'm murder me. Huh? I'm too glad thank God now. You can't come between me, no long way there.
I say.
She can't mash up with you, man. I'm bugging her, because nothing, because you know that she is wicked.
So would have really bright enough to go tell her.
Nobody can tell her nothing, for they must know say she not treat your boy.
And nobody know, you don't see nobody when Taya come over.
Nobody. You know, so say I told you about me walk.
Oh.
Me walk three, but me never walk on the road.
Oh. Probably the book car up, you know.
Me don't see her.
Yeah.
Me don't want to see her attack, and me don't want nervousness kill me. She ever do that with you yet?
No.
And she not do it with you, you no want to do it with her.
No, I have no time for that because you're busy like bees.
Yeah?
No, I have no time for me, you know.
How are you say?
I should come from where she's up asleep. No time at all.
She tired.
She's tired though.
That's why you have to burn her, because she don't know how to take care of her husband. You can't send her go foreign nursing things so me can come live with you. I want to live at this a nice house, yeah.
That's all in the making now.
I'm going home to meet my Jesus. I'm working hard to meet the Lord. Saints, are you ready to meet Him? Get ready to greet Him. He is coming back again. I'm going home to meet my Jesus. I'm working hard to meet the Lord. Saints, are you ready to meet Him? Get ready to greet Him. He's coming back again. I'm going home.
No man know the time nor the hour. So me a put in the work like hands before the shower. Wickedness in man heart, them a search for power. When you're dead, you can't bring the money nor the tower. Mama used to say, "What's with your son, it a go sour." The more you feed your soul, it's in the more it get devour. If your heart not clean like we, so try go get it sour. A great flood did that come, them never listen now.
I'm going home to meet my Jesus. I'm working hard to meet the Lord. Saints, are you ready to meet Him? Get ready to greet Him. He is coming back again. I'm going home to meet my Jesus. I'm working hard to meet the Lord. Saints, are you ready to meet Him? Get ready to greet Him. He's coming back again. I'm going home.
Prepare yourself to meet the Lord, Him coming back real soon. A Lord burst in the sky, now run when you hear boom. When the trumpet sound, an angel in a platoon. The Lord couldn't give with star and give with sun and give with moon. He make everybody fight infection, protect itself, get immune. And we still a play ungrateful, just a crave like a raccoon. Without a test, there would not be a testimony. Without a fight, there would not be a victory.
Going home to meet my Jesus. I'm working hard working